What's going on, Vetted family? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Coach Joey. Today I'm going to teach you all how you can release your adductors with a Battlestar tool. Okay, so to set this one up, you're going to need your elevated surface. We're going to take our Battlestar tool and we're going to move it toward the edge, and I'm going to release my left leg so it's on the left side. Then get your leg on there and you're going to rock left and right. The purpose of this elevated surface is to give you a deeper stretch in the adductors and also allow you to hit slightly different fibers. So here I can feel a little bit more of the posterior fibers compared to just doing this on the ground. But you want to get high up into the groin as much as you can. You also want to play around with how you're angling your leg so you can do more internal or external rotation. If you suffer from groin pain or lower back pain, if you're squatting and deadlifting really heavy, definitely give this one a shot. It should really affect how everything feels for you and help allow you to get better range of motion and have less pain day to day and stiffness. If you guys don't have this tool, check out some of our other videos on releasing the adductors. You could use a foam roller or a PVC pipe. We'll pop up the video what that one looks like, but search adductor release on our channel and it should pop up. Let us know how this one works for you all. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what other videos you want to see. Till next time, guys, have a blessed day.